Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add friends in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're here in UPLAY, you just want to click here on friends and group. When you're here, you're gonna see like the small icon with a person and plus there, and just click add friends. And now what you have to do is the username to find a friend, search, and I can like add the guy to the friend list. And voila, now I'm going to send request. Also, you can import friends from Steam if you want to. But no one is playing actually Rainbow Six Siege, so that's a pity. But yeah, you're gonna see like the send request here. If you have any questions, guys, ask down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, and this is how we can add friends in UPLAY. Have a great day and goodbye.